Are you afraid to risk your hard-earned money in binary options? Well, binary options Cashback.com give you an ability to invest your money without the risk of the initial deposit. How does it function? Would you like to invest in binary options but it scares you to think that you could lose your money? 1. Select any broker from our selected web banners. 2. Open an account and deposit the recommended amount. And 3. Send us an email to webmaster@binaryoptionscashback.com with the following details: name, broker's name, deposited amount, and the desired method to receive your money back, i.e. PayPal, money brokers, or bank account. And within a short duration of 30 days, you will get the return of the deposit. This advertisement comes with no obligations. We don't require any minimum amount of trades, and you can withdraw your deposit whenever you want. On the other hand, you can open an account with any or all brokers listed and receive a consequent refund.
Hello class, this is Brian from financialtrainingschool.com and welcome to BO 103, Recommended Charting Platforms. So this should be a relatively short video. I'm just going to go through the list for the recommending charting platforms for their respective instruments, and I'm going to start off with browser charting platforms. And just a note, the bracket that you see beside each charting platform is the course code for the episode that I'll be doing for that respective charting platform. I'll do a probably 5, 10 minute or 20 minute video on how to use them, how to change things inside them, how each functions work, because they're all different platforms. So it's just like a quick go-to video kind of thing. So starting off at the top, we have stock charts, which is the most simplistic stock charting platform, which isn't for real-time charting. They're for static and long-term charting. So like you can look for the last year or the last couple years of data so that you can draw the long-term trend lines and all that stuff. Then you get into the real-time data, which is free stock charts. They're good for Forex and stocks. They also have some indices and some commodities, but I don't recommend that for this. So I only recommend them, you use them for Forex and stocks. It's real-time charting. Then for indices and futures, I would recommend Forex Pros. They also have stocks and Forex, but I prefer free stock charts for those and Forex Pros for these two. So these are also real-time charting. These three so far are candlestick charts, or you can change the types on the charting platform. The last one is Google Finance, which is a real-time line chart, and it's updated in real time, so it shows like each order and each tick, and it goes up and down, right? It's a line chart, so they're different compared to candlesticks, so be careful when you look at the two different charts. The output is different. But basically what I like about Google Finance is they have a news feed stream, so that once you click on each stock, you go to the charting page. On the right side, it shows the little news feeds for like public press releases and data releases or whatever for that company. So that's nice. And also Google Finance, unlike free stock charts, is you can have your portfolio page, and then on that page you can list all your stocks, and then it'll update in real time, and that's faster because there's no chart to load in the background. Whereas free stock charts, you have your chart and you have your list, so it's slower when it updates. So that's why I like free Google Finance for that. Then on to desktop charting platforms. The two that I like using are MetaTrader 4, aka MT4, and Thinkorswim, aka TOS. So for MT4, that's mainly for Forex. There are some Forex brokers that do provide stocks and indices and all that stuff, but primarily you use MT4 for Forex, and this is real-time charting. But like I mentioned, you need a Forex broker, so you need a server feed in order to use MT4. Otherwise, the bare bone program doesn't do anything. You need an actual server feed from a broker. So I would suggest Oanda, because their demo account lasts forever. The links are there on the slide. Doesn't matter if you sign up for a live or demo account, it's pretty much free. You don't have to fund your live account, you can just leave it there and just use their data feed. But the difference between demo and live is the live account walks you through a lot more steps to actually sign up for it, because you need to go through the background check. You need to provide all the tax data and all the tax information, all that stuff. So demo account's the easier way to go. Likewise for Thinkorswim, it's the same thing, same process. It's easier to sign up for a paper trade account rather than a real live account. And Thinkorswim has everything. Literally, they have everything. They are the real-time, there's a typo on the slide, a real-time, full-blown charting platform. They have everything. They have stocks, indices, commodities, futures, forex. They have everything. Like, once you install it, you'll see it's a full-blown. It might be a little overwhelming if you're just starting out, but they have everything. So that's why, if I'm lazy and I just want to look at one platform, then that's the one platform I would use, because it has everything inside it. So that's it for this video. I hope that clears up any issues there were with what charting platforms to use. Just use whichever one is best for the underlying asset that you're trading. And as usual, my 3 recommended brokers are 24 Options, Bank Binary, and TradeRush. Plus, you get an hour of free tutoring when you sign up and fund an account using my links in the description below. And you can see the full details on my site for the tutoring promo. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time.